What I used to always tell people about the show was, they were like, oh, you're the star of the show. I was like, no, I'm not the star of the show. I'm like, the crime that they're solving with the scientific method is the star of the show.
Yes, there it is.
That's the star of the show.
Science reigns supreme.
Absolutely.
In every episode. Every episode. Yep. So, was that your only time as scientist?
No, my other time as a scientist was in a film called Contagion that came out in 2009.
Ooh.
I played the head of the director of the CDC.
Nice.
So it was all about, tracking down potential pandemics that were going to happen. And we had a guy who recently passed on, a guy named Elliot, who was the head of the CDC, and that was his job. And every day he'd be on the set and he'd be like, look at this. Look what we're tracking in Bolivia. Look at what we're tracking in Africa.
As an advisor.
Yeah.
Yes,
and he would be like, we're tracking this in this country. We're tracking this disease in this country. And it was fascinating. And then, of course, when COVID happened, it was like
there it is.
It was like they had lifted everything from the movie and it was actually happening in real life.
I visited the CDC for my very first time just a couple of months ago.
Oh, wow.
And they took me deep into the...
Did they?
Yeah, so into what was basically like